Out-of-stock orders include only products with 0 and optionally negative stock on hand. The ordered quantities are generated based on the retail units, minimum shelf holdings, minimum order quantities, multiple order quantities, and maximum shelf holdings set against the supplier. These fields are explained in the Minfos supplier maintenance video. The quantities of products already on order or on an invoice in order maintenance are counted as stock on hand when generating orders. Products must be flagged as reorder stocked to generate on an out-of-stocks order. To generate an out-of-stocks order, from Stock Manager, click Order Maintenance. Then click Generate. In the order generation window, enter the supplier you are ordering from. Leave the two Include All checkboxes ticked. This will ensure all products from the specified supplier will be considered in your order. Give the order a meaningful description. Consider including the reason for the order and the person responsible. The order date will default to today's date. The delivery time is the time it takes for an order to arrive. If the delivery time is more than 1 day, update this field so that this can be taken into consideration when the order quantities are calculated. Click the Order Type drop-down and select Number 2, Out of Stocks. Check the Include Negatives option if you want to include products that have a negative stock on hand. All other options can be left as is. Click Generate to start the order generation process. The order maintenance window is displayed and your order will be in a status of created. Refer to the other videos in this series to learn how to review and send your order.